So this is the new Skybox map. Yeah, I mean, it was in the game before, but they removed it and it's back. And that's the monster over there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, that's him. What the? What the hell? Literally me at 3 AM. I don't see a difference.
Everyone, subscribe to whoever the hell is this is. Give me credit card information. No, I'm not. Eat some curry, bro. You guys, give me credit card information.
Yeah.
Finger. I like chicken curry.
You're running away from me, blind. They keep running away from me, blind. They keep running. I'm gonna win.
Guys.
Where is he? Oh my god! Nope. Me today. Nope.
Tag along, like wait, I'm playing the game without that.
Poo. Bean! Hello, Bean!
Can I take a picture?
Bean!
You're a bitch. Oh my god, jumping on me.
You don't.
It's racist, right? No, it's racist. Help me, please! Help!
Oh my god. Yo, I think he turned off his headset, bro.
Hey, stop! Let them.
Bean, you want to be my friend?
No, he's in Bean.
Bean, you want to be my friend?
He's in Norway.
Bean, let's be friends.
I have your back no matter what. Sure. We're sticking together. I'm never gonna let you. He's coming.
Yeah.
He's a track star. We'll always have your back.
Bean? Hello. You want to be my friend? Bean?
Found us.
Hello.
He found us! He found us, guys! He found us! I should be hiding right
Bean? You want to be my friend?
I'm looking for my kids! I have only kids in front of my kids!
Lol.
I'm
Bean?
making love with my kids!
Okay.
My son, after I'm done
Bean!
I said, my son, come here! Monkey marathon! My penis! I said,
3 minutes! Bean! Said you want to be my friend?
I heard him!
Bean? Bean, do you want to be my friend?
Red died! I killed Red! I heard him!
Bean? Bean! I love you, Bean! I love you! Hey, boy! You want to say hi to my friends? Oh my god, my friend is fast. Hey, guys! My friend!